Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another episode about what is happening in the crypto world. And today, guys, I got some great news for you. Bittrex is going from fiat to crypto trading. Yes, that's it. Fiat to crypto trading they are going to be doing. And you want to find out why it's a big deal? Listening closely to one of the leaders of crypto builder system. She will share, Robin will share with you all why it's a big deal and why you should know about this information. Stay tuned.
Robin Lin here with Zenabits, your resource for cryptocurrency news related to generating and capitalizing on crypto and generating more Bitcoin so you can hodl and hold more of it.
The idea right now is in this phase, we're stress testing our system. We're working with the banks very closely to ensure that they can process the fiat deposits and withdrawals, that also the engine itself that we use to trade is going to be able to properly handle the load. But the idea is to then expand out to as many markets as possible on Bittrex, as well as expand it so that every customer on Bittrex will be able to have access to US dollar trading.
So you're actually doing the due diligence on every single altcoin that you're listing, that you're making available to buy in fiat?
That's right. For us, we have this commitment to compliance. And we think that solving the regulatory puzzle in the United States really unlocks a lot of capital that really can't trade on a foreign exchange that doesn't have proper AML KYC controls or proper compliance. So we think we can actually add tremendous amounts of value as we're working with the regulatory agencies in the United States.
Bill Shihara, a Bittrex.
So as the CEO of Bittrex shared with you, Bill Shihara, he's very excited, not just for his Bittrex exchange located in the United States, but for the opportunity to advance with crypto trading beyond Bitcoin and to have more options for the United States to put more money into this trading platform. Now, this is a very big deal. So if you guys have been maybe snoozing behind the scenes, not really paying attention because Bitcoin has maybe been too low for you to stay interested in the moment, you're waiting for it to go up, which is okay. But we want to look at the big term, the long-term picture, the macro view. If you're looking at Bitcoin and the price of crypto right now from a micro perspective, you are going to get lost in the emotional ups and downs. It is a volatile opportunity to become involved with something so volatile. You are at a risk and at whim of losing your emotional state here. What we've got to do is take a big step back, way back, and look at the big picture, look at the trends, look at the charts, listen to the people at the top who really do know what's going on. So you have an overall view versus just a micro perspective of what's going on today or what happened this month. So what we want to do is we want to listen to these new innovative options happening where Bittrex, which is a crypto exchange, is offering, because they've partnered now with new banks to offer individuals to, right now they're just focused on corporate because they're testing. So he says they're stress testing to be sure that they have enough capacity for their customer support because they want to be at the top here. They want to go beyond Binance. They want to go beyond Coinbase and Gemini. They want to be at the top here. So what they're doing is they're making sure with all the cryptocurrencies that they're inviting into this process that they have the US-based lawyers given the okay. They're doing their due diligence. Bittrex is doing the due diligence. Bittrex is working with attorneys and they're working with the regulatory agencies so that we don't have to worry about the security SEC question, considered a commodity, and nobody's going to get in trouble here, especially if you're located in the United States or Canada. So Bittrex, a US-based, Seattle-based company, a corporate crypto exchange, CEO here on Fast Money talking about partnering with the banks so that right now corporations and soon everyone who has a Bittrex account can come in with their fiat currency, US dollar, can come in and buy not only Bitcoin but multiple other cryptos that pass their test. This is huge. He wants everybody to have an opportunity to be able to put their fiat currency in, work with the banks, and then be able to purchase Bitcoin and trade on the Bittrex platform. Again, United States-backed company, Bittrex Exchange. This is going to be huge as soon as they start to launch from this corporate model right now that they're using, the corporate model first to test things, make sure they can handle the load and the banks are okay and they've got their strategies and their process to move then into everybody who has a Bittrex account to be able to offer this kind of an option. Fiat to crypto, this is big. Right now, what they're having here, again, this rigorous review process, they're undergoing US-based lawyers, they're in a conversation with them, trading in the US is going to be opened up. Customers located in Washington State, California, New York, and Montana. Soon they will open up to multiple regions in the United States, hopefully everywhere in the United States, and opening up to more fiat options. The thing that I really like here is that corporate customers are only the beginning. We, as Bill Shahara says, we plan to extend fiat to our retail customers and many of our service providers who build on the Bittrex platform. In addition, today's fiat announcement is the first step in the next evolution of our business as we're continuing our expansion locally, globally, and through new services and strategic partnerships. So this is big, not just with Bittrex and the United States' involvement, people getting involved, turning their fiat, their US dollar into Bitcoin or crypto, but it's going to open up a lot more options for people to be able to look at this Bittrex model and say, wait a minute, in my country, I can do this too. This is a leading blockchain technology exchange. Bittrex is at the forefront of this new innovative option, and I'm excited to learn more about what's going to happen beyond the corporate model so that everybody has an option to do this, because it's going to have a huge lasting imprint in the future of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And for individuals like yourself who want to expand and to grow your financial portfolios, who want to go beyond Bitcoin and invest and diversify your finances for sustainability, for wealth, for expansion. So whether you have a kid in high school or college, or you're somebody in your 30s or 40s, or you're facing retirement, or you are retired, there are so many options for you to step into this awareness of knowing how to invest properly based on who you are and what your goals are. So not just corporations, but everyone who has a Bittrex account can be involved to diversify their holdings and to gain financial sustainability, which is where I want to talk to you more about. This video is to get you guys really focused again on that macro view, to see what's going on, to hear about the innovations, and to understand that it's not just about the Bittrex exchange, but it's about what's happening within this model. Because now, again, fiat currency turning into Bitcoin, turning into other cryptos, there were just a handful of exchanges that could do this. Now this is going to open up a lot more options so that the United States, so that fiat currency can expand, so that you can expand your cryptocurrency holdings. So I want to share with you more about how to gain financial wealth and sustainability. It is a program that I'm going to introduce you to. It is free to join, and if you do join and you want to learn more about it, I have videos for you that share with you everything you need so that you can gain financial sustainability. Whether you've got a kid in high school, or maybe in college, or you're in college, or you're a 30 or 40 or 50-year-old, or you're facing retirement, or you are retired, and you're looking for the most inspired, solid way to expand your financial portfolios. And maybe you've been burned in the past, or you've had some success or failures in the past, but you want to learn the most improved way, the most expansive way to be able to make the right kinds of investment and have the right mindset to understand what it is that you're doing, so that you don't get blown away by the whims of Wall Street or by the ups and downs and volatility of Bitcoin. This is a way for sustainability of your finances, and I'm going to share with you how to do that for your financial and well-being of your financial sustainability. For your financial sustainability. So what I'd like you to do is to click the link below this video. There's a description, and if you're on your phone here, you're going to click on the down triangle. So it's a triangle pointing downward. Just click on that if you're on your phone. It'll open up into a description. You'll see the link there. Click on that and you're going to learn a lot more about the potential to diversify your investments so that you can make the most of it. I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you what to do, but I can share with you what is working, not just for myself, but for the people who are making big money here with these kinds of wise investments. Again, it's all about financial sustainability, not just for yourself, but for everyone in your life so that you can make the most of it. You can be happy, you can be fulfilled, and maybe you can share the opportunity with others and help others along the way. I'm Robin Lin with Zenabits. Go ahead and click the link below and I will meet you on the next video.
Welcome back again, guys. Hopefully you found that very informative with what Robin shared about what Bittrex is up to and stress testing everything. So down below, hopefully you can see the link down below. Please take a look at that, and thanks for being with us, and we look forward to bringing great value to you very soon. So have a great day, no matter what location you are in the world. And remember, crypto is coming greatly. If you are in America, it's getting bigger and better in America.